Is it time to buy or sell CHWY stock? In this video, we are diving deep into CHWY. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 26th of August, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Okay? Since the 13th of August, 2025, our system has ranked CHWY as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.92. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.4%. This results in an average return of 0.34% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 17.88% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 35.19% to negative 17.88%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 33.93%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 15.19% to 67.84% over the next year. In current terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $46.94 and $68.40. Our latest daily update for CHWY includes the headline, CHWY stock price ended at $40.75 on Tuesday, after gaining 2.54%. The CHWY stock price gained 2.54% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 26th of August, 2025, rising from $39.74 to $40.75. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.25%, with a day low at $39.50 and a day high of $41.18. The price has risen in 5 of the last 10 days and is up by 12.54% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 1 million shares, totaling 4 million shares bought and sold for approximately $177.71 million. It's important to consider that falling volume alongside higher prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $48.62, while the lowest price was $25.19. Currently, the price is 16.19%, or $7.87 below the 52-week high, and 66.04%, or $79.25, below the all-time high on February 16, 2021, when the price reached $120. CHWY is back in focus with several developments that could influence the stock in both directions. An opinion suggesting that CHWY should acquire Petco has reignited speculation about mergers and acquisitions. In the short term, this could elevate shares due to hopes for a takeover premium and increased retail discussions. However, any actual deal would come with integration costs, higher leverage, and regulatory scrutiny, which could strain near-term margins. Operationally, CHWY is expanding its product range, most recently introducing Roborock robot vacuums aimed at pet owners. Analysts believe that the second quarter likely benefited from technological upgrades, increased demand for auto ship, and rising customer engagement. These trends, along with an upcoming fiscal second quarter report scheduled for the 10th of September, represent clear catalysts. Positive results or raised guidance could lead to further gains, while any indications of slowing engagement or margin pressures might result in a quick decline. Recent price movements indicate the stock recovering from several weaknesses, moving toward the high 30s to low 40s, though it remains below a 2-year peak of nearly 49 reached in June. In the long run, effective execution on auto ship, product assortment, and omni-channel expansion, or a successful and beneficial acquisition, could significantly enhance growth and margins. Conversely, failure to integrate acquisitions or maintain customer economics would keep the valuation under pressure. Expect increased volatility leading up to the September earnings date. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 5th of August, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned CHWI a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, Citigroup assigned CHWI an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025, RBC Capital assigned CHWI an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025, Wedbush assigned CHWI an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025, Morgan Stanley assigned CHWI an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned CHWY stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for CHWY. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. The CHWY stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be expected around levels of $40.43 and $37.87. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, August 5, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 18.91%. Further growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, despite price gains. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock warrants close monitoring. Here are some additional signals you might find noteworthy. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 8 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 20 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for CHWY. CHWY finds support from accumulated volume at $39.41, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with favorable trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $1.68 between its high and low, which constitutes 4.25%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.79%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for CHWY, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 10th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 33 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for CHWY. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for CHWY is at $40.76. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, CHWY encounters its first support level at $39.41. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for CHWY from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 4th of August, 2025, CHWY executed an insider sell of 29,557 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, CHWY executed another insider sell of 4,264 shares of Class A common stock. On the 4th of August, 2025, Billings William G. conducted an insider sell of 20,142 shares of Class A common stock. On the 4th of August, 2025, Mehta Satish executed an insider sell of 5,967 shares of Class A common stock. On the 5th of August, 2025, Mehta Satish conducted an insider sell of 8,727 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've observed a negative insider power with a ratio of negative 31.898. Overall, insiders purchased 87,140,407 shares and sold 172,737,092 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $39.52, reflecting a decrease of 3.03%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 79, which significantly heightens the risk factor. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 15 days ago. Is CHWY stock a good buy? While several short-term signals appear positive, the stock is currently in a declining trend. However, we believe that the present level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 27th of August, we anticipate CHWY will open lower by approximately 273 thousandths of a dollar, starting at $40.48. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Do not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.